The next problem, other than air pollution, is that the natural fuel that we are using, that is either coal or crude oil or natural gases, they are reserved, means they are the also the reserve for this fuel are limited because they are naturally prepared in the environment. Hence we are not preparing them, so their quantity is limited in the environment and they are going to deplete, means their level will be down if we are using it. And as per the report, only we can use this fuel up to 200 to 300 years only, means that much stock is only remaining in our environment. Hence this is damaging our environment, means limitation is there, we are not getting it in much more higher quantity, or we are not keeping it for our future generation. Hence we should preserve it for our future generation, because this natural fuel is not only utilized for generation of electricity, but it is utilized for other purpose also. Hence it is not the environmental friendly. And then, considering all this point, it has been stated that energy generation from fossil fuel and nuclear fuel are not environmental friendly. So we were switched towards the another level, that was towards green energy. Means to avoid this problem, we have to adopt the various other method which are environmental friendly, which are like these are the other way of electricity production which avoids the above problems. The electricity generated from water, wind, sunlight, biofuel are the example of such energy source used in such option. That is water reservoir, means water is abundantly available and it is not limited, means it is reproduced in every rainy season. Hence we can use water to generate the electricity and we are not damaging the water. Water can be further, after the generation of electricity, we can use this water for other works also, and we can also use this water in the recycling for generation of electricity, means repeatedly this water can be used for generation of electricity. Likewise, wind is abundantly available in nature, hence it is also not limited. And definitely sunlight is also not limited. And then third one is biofuel, means the fuel which is being generated after the decomposition of human fossil, animal fossil, human waste, animal waste. Likewise, dead animals, all these are after fermentation, they are being converted into the fuel, that is known as biofuel. And hence such type of waste is also not limited. So such type of energy material is used to generate the electricity, which is not damaging and not releasing any harmful component in the environment. The water reservoir, wind, sunlight are never ending, are perpetual, means they are being created after the interval. Moreover, use of this source do not lead to environmental problem, and that is discussed in the this environment and electricity generation. Therefore electricity generation through this source can be called as environmental friendly, and we can also call the energy generation by this process as green energy. Understood? The green energy is the energy which is being generated by the natural resource like air, water and wind, and biofuel are known as green energy. Means looking at the problem in electrical using the coal, the potential in energy means this is the same that I have discussed, that we can overcome the problem which is being led by coal, natural gas and nuclear fuel, and they are also vanishing and also damaging our environment. So we can force to perform the green energy generation plants to avoid the problem related from this. So in next we will discuss the green energy generation plants.